Hey everyone, I'm Robyn, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make my all-purpose household cleaner. It's super easy to make and it uses only 4 ingredients. The ingredients are water, rubbing alcohol, a little bit of dish soap, and some essential oils of your choice. Personally, I love using lavender essential oils, and some other good options are tea tree oil, which is good for disinfecting, and lemon oil, which is good for degreasing. For the dish soap, you can swap out Castile soap if you prefer. Just be cautious because I'm pretty sure that Castile soap is not supposed to come into contact with vinegar. And then for the rubbing alcohol, this is a really great ingredient to add because it helps keep everything virtually streak-free, and it also helps whatever you spray dry very quickly. So that's it. So let's go ahead and get started. To your spray bottle, add 1.5 cups water. Next, add 1/2 cup of rubbing alcohol. Then add 1 teaspoon of dish soap, and finally add 10 to 20 drops of your choice of essential oil. I'm using lavender. Shake well and you're ready to go. As you can see, this is super easy to make and it's quite inexpensive too, which is always a plus. I keep a bottle of this in my kitchen and in each of my bathrooms, and I use it multiple times a day. I usually spray it on and wipe it off with a microfiber cloth, and I use this mostly for counters and then also for windows and mirrors because it's really great for that. It will definitely replace any window cleaner you have because it leaves no streaks behind. This cleaner is definitely my holy grail cleaning product when it comes to cleaning hard surfaces. So in the comments below, let me know what your holy grail cleaning product or accessory is, because I would be really interested to hear what all you like to use. And I will link below these bottles that I use. They're really heavy duty glass amber bottles. I just get them off of Amazon and they come in a 2-pack. So I'll link those below, and I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon to be notified whenever I add a new video. So again, thank you so much, and I will see you all later. Bye!